back to school time and my daughter needed a new backpack, so I went with the Jansport Backpack with a leather bottom. The reason I went with the Jansport Backpack is because they carry 15 pounds of school stuff in their backpacks. My daughter had a different backpack, and because of the weight of her school supplies, it literally ripped a hole through the bottom of her backpack. So I really wanted to get my other daughter one of these backpacks because it has a reinforced bottom. Leather is not going to rip through. Other reason that I chose a Jansport backpack is because it has a lifetime warranty. You can send your backpack back to Jansport. If they're unable to fix it, they will send you a credit back for a brand new backpack. And I actually had to do that. So I really appreciate the reputation that Jansport has, and the warranty is absolutely amazing because, you know, these backpacks are getting thrown on the ground and they're getting a lot of abuse. So we need a backpack that's gonna hold up and it's gonna last. This Jansport backpack has two different pockets. It has the front pocket here, which can hold smaller things, and has another pocket here that can hold larger items like snacks. It has one side pocket for their water bottles. The large interior pocket also has some padding for their back, and it also has an interior pocket. I really love the fabric on this backpack. The straps are adjustable and it has a hanging loop. If you are looking for a new backpack for back to school and wondering if you should spend the money on a Jansport backpack, I would definitely recommend investing more money and getting a good quality backpack.